Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? Today we are going to learn about the example of explanation text in English, part 3. How snow is made. How snow is made. We all agree that the snowfall is always fascinating. In the snowfall, all people stay out of the house and play with snow. People can make giant snowmen, trample on the snow, or play snowballs with their families. However, are you curious how snow is made? Snow is water droplets falling from the clouds. These droplet waters then become solid and create snow. It happens because rain consists of water vapor particles and being cooled in the air. Snow happens when water vapor built up in the Earth's atmosphere freezes. It happens before they turn into water droplets. This process occurs when the temperature in the cloud becomes very frigid. Snowflakes are created by crystals of ice which have established around a little field in the air. They then grow from small foams into the big one. The foam of snowflakes are varied. They can consist of 200 crystals maximum. Thanks for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.